This was our epic Wild Waterworks trip. Hope you will enjoy the video. Hi, this is Afsheen and welcome to Lifestyle by Sheens. Here we explore everyday adventures, cozy moments, and a sprinkle of creativity. So grab your tea, get comfy, and let's make today a little more beautiful together. So today I thought, why not do something super fun and refreshing? The weather was perfect and I have been craving a little adventure. So I planned a trip to Wild Waterworks in Hamilton. From lazy rivers to thrilling water slides, it's the ultimate spot to cool down and have some laughs. Watching the water flow reminds me of how life works. It never really stops. It just finds a way around obstacles. Sometimes it's fast and exciting, like these slides, and other times it's slow and calm. But no matter what, it keeps moving forward. Maybe that's a lesson for us too. No matter what comes in our way, we do not stop. We adjust, we flow, and eventually we find our path. Have you noticed how water teaches patience? It doesn't rush, it just takes its time to shape rocks, carve valleys, and makes its mark. In our lives, we want quick results. Not only quick results, instant answers, but real growth Just like these streams takes time. Every drop counts, every struggle counts. Even if we do not see the impact right away, it will count. As the water rushes, it reflects the light, changing colors and patterns. Life is a lot like that. Our experiences do not really change, but our perspective does. A challenge can look like a burden, or it can be the very thing that shapes us into who we are meant to be. Just like water sparkles differently when the sun hits it, our life moments shine differently when we choose to see them with gratitude. So it's our choice. And finally, one more thing to share: water reminds us to live in the moment. It doesn't hold on to the past or worry about where it's going. It just flows here and now. Maybe we need to be like that, just like a flowing water. Enjoy the ride, laugh a little more, and trust that everything will find its way. Because just like this water slide, life is about the journey, not just the destination. Take care. Bye bye.